and about mercantile matters. Thank you.
Grupy Niepodległość Demokracja głos.
Thank you very much, and now Mr. Clark for 1 minute and a half.
Mr President, last September I drew attention to how the electronic data of ships required in these reports could easily find their way to pirates operating off Somalia. This was not heeded. These reports have been modified, but not for the better. In fact, there is no contradiction between them. I'll try again. While Sturks obliges ports not to turn ships away, Savoury says that they can deny entry if insurance certificates are not being provided. Add the further contradiction of Vlasto, which extends port control to ships anchored offshore. So if a vessel with no papers lies offshore and then, due to extreme weather, becomes at risk, it must be allowed entry because Sturks established the right of ships in distress to a place of refuge. So we come to the situation of a vessel with a dangerous cargo finding its way into a port by manipulating these contradictions. What happens if then it results in a serious incident, closing a major port? Would the compensation mentioned in Sturks apply to all of that, and in any case, who pays? These reports need a real overhaul. Finally, the Fernandes report endorses various IMO recommendations. Fine, the UK has already signed these, but the EU wants to add its own fleet database, to which I and others would object. I say would, because the Fernandes report is to be adopted without a vote. How democratic is that? Whatever happened to the comments made here this very morning that this is an amending house?
Dziękuję bardzo. W imieniu
Thank you very much, and now on behalf of the non-attached, Mr. Le Rachinel.
Mr President, colleagues, I would like to congratulate all the rapporteurs who dealt